In machine learning, categorical data must be converted into numerical format. Let's explore various encoding techniques. Here's a sample dataset with a categorical feature, city. Label encoding assigns a unique integer to each category. It's simple but can imply an unintended order. Use label encoding when the categorical variable has an inherent order, such as small, medium, large. One-hot encoding creates binary columns for each category, avoiding order but increasing dimensionality. Use one-hot encoding when the categorical variable is nominal, meaning there is no intrinsic order, such as red, green, blue. Ordinal encoding assigns integers based on a natural order, like small, medium, and large. Use ordinal encoding when the categorical variable has a clear and meaningful order, such as low, medium, high. Frequency encoding replaces categories with their frequency in the dataset, reflecting their prevalence. Use frequency encoding when the frequency of categories is meaningful and can provide useful information to the model. Target encoding uses the mean of the target variable for each category, linking it to the outcome. Use target encoding when you want to capture the relationship between the categorical variable and the target variable, especially in classification tasks. Binary encoding converts label encoded integers into binary, splitting bits into columns. Use binary encoding when you have a high cardinality categorical variable and want to reduce dimensionality compared to one-hot encoding. Hashing encoding maps categories to a fixed number of columns using a hash function. Efficient for many categories. Use hashing encoding when dealing with high cardinality categorical variables and when you want to limit the number of features, but be aware of potential hash collisions. Each technique suits different scenarios. Pick wisely based on your data and model. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.